Paramount Performance workshop today, we have this stunning Jaguar F-Type. In stock form, this is already a pretty capable machine, packing significant power and performance. The owner of this car has opted to unleash the beast with our full Predator conversion package. The software geniuses at VIEZU provide the custom remap, while the Paramount Performance team provide the physical and mechanical upgrades. It's a winning and proven combination. As always, we start with a thorough inspection, a test drive and a dyno run. Then it's time to unleash the true potential of this big cat and get to work with the modifications. The Predator package consists of a VIEZU custom remap, upper and lower pulley supercharger upgrades, a supercharger cooling kit, and the uprated air filters. The package has been developed and refined over a number of years and has now been installed on hundreds of cars across the globe. It's available in kit form on our shop, or our expert technicians can install it for you. This particular customer also opted for the rear box delete on their exhaust system. This further enhances flow and it's going to sound incredible. With the legendary Predator conversion completed, let's see and hear the results. With a jaw-dropping 660 brake horsepower and 940 Newton meters of torque, and a sound that would wake the dead, this F-Type will now worry legitimate supercars. To find out more about the true potential of your car, visit paramount-performance.com today.